This brand is made in America by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls, and the furnaces are sold in the USA and Canada through a factory-authorized dealer network. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The furnaces use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The brand is backed by a pretty good warranty, but it does not include furnace replacement in case of heat exchanger failure, which has become the industry standard. All of the units use durable ECM blower motors, which are quieter, more energy efficient, and more durable than brands that use PSC motor technology. The TL9E models are basic 95% AFUE efficient gas furnaces with a fixed speed blower motor, but the guarantee on the heat exchanger is not as good as the other models or brands. The TM9Y is a premium 2-stage furnace with a 2-speed inducer and a fixed speed motor, while the TM9V model has a variable speed blower motor and the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The TP9C models are ultimate gas furnaces with a 98% AFUE combustion efficiency and modulating capability for enhanced comfort and energy savings. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.